Hi, this is Daniel DiTuro. Do you or corporations control your diet? In this video, I'll share prepared versus homemade foods, from natural foods to processed foods, and why home cooking increases variety and essential nutrients. Three main sources of prepared foods include dine-in and takeout restaurants, fast food restaurants, supermarkets, and convenience stores. Supermarkets offer more prepared foods than fresh foods. Minimally processed prepared foods like rice, dried pastas, and dried beans are healthier than highly processed foods. Most highly processed foods have numerous synthetic ingredients. Home-cooked meals can be 100% minimally processed or include some processed foods. Even homegrown foods are processed. Commercially processed foods have additives not found or even available to home cooks. Before the 1950s, most Americans ate a more diverse, natural diet. Essential nutrients came from minimally processed foods, not dietary supplements. Foods did not contain growth hormones, antibiotics, and dozens of chemical additives and preservatives. The mid-1950s introduced the limited menu fast food diet. Fast, also known as quick-serve foods, emphasized refined flour, refined sugar, and fried foods. Their foods provided an abundance of calories and carbohydrates. Can you guess which meal is American fast food? Instead of natural foods, millions of Americans rely on dietary supplements for essential nutrients. The American diet has always been high in meat and wheat. A limited number of foods make up the 10 most popular American foods. Do you see a trend? The most popular animal foods are beef and chicken. Plant foods include refined wheat, white potatoes, and corn. It shouldn't come as a surprise that potatoes are the #1 most popular American vegetable. The only leafy green vegetable is low-nutrient lettuce. Much maligned high oxalate spinach barely makes the top 15. In many countries, high-fiber, nutrient-packed leafy greens and other plant foods are a major part of their daily diet. The two most popular fruits in America are bananas and apples. High-carb bananas are turned into high-carb and fat desserts. A 100-calorie apple is turned into a 440-calorie apple pie. Good luck finding fresh fruit on most restaurant dessert menus. Different color fruits and vegetables provide different essential nutrients. Green fruits and vegetables are a good source of folate, potassium, vitamin K, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and anti-cancer polyphenols. Yellow and orange fruits and vegetables are high in beta-carotene, vitamin A, vitamin C, and potassium. Red is another good source of vitamin A, C, calcium, and potassium. White is usually high in potassium and selenium. Black is also high in potassium and selenium. I know some of you are thinking, black foods? Most diets have some or all of these black foods. Like fruits and vegetables, most Americans eat a limited variety of fish and seafood. Even so, most diets include only a couple of the top 10. While pollock is number 5, most end up in high-calorie breaded fish products, providing more refined wheat flour than fish. It's amazing an island nation produced more beef eaters than seafood eaters. The Spanish brought olives, citrus, almonds, and seafood to the New World. Can you tell which food is Spanish and which is English? Fatty fish, like tuna and salmon, are high in omega-3 fatty acids. Lean fish and seafood provides low-calorie, lean protein. Millions of people around the world eat high-protein, low-calorie octopus and squid. Like most pollock, squid comes breaded and deep-fried. Octopus provides protein for less than half the calories of a sirloin steak. Many prepared foods have too many calories per gram of protein. By increasing the home-cooked meal by 50%, I get slightly more protein for about half the calories. It also provides twice the fiber. In addition to fried fish, the U.S. is home to high-calorie, deep-fried chicken. Good luck finding low-calorie, low-sodium, zero-added chemical baked chicken. Prepared baked foods are convenient, but are formulated to satisfy wants, not needs. Does your diet provide minimally processed foods that provide the nutrients your body needs? Or do you rely on dietary supplements? Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching and healthy eating.